good morning. Welcome to my channel. So it's me Minnat, and today I will be filming vlog for the first time on my YouTube channel. And in this vlog, I will be going to show you my morning routine, or you can say a day routine, because I think that I'm going to end this vlog in night. So yeah, you can say it as a day in my life vlog. And in most of the parts of the vlog, I will be showing you my study methods which I use as a CBSE 10th grader. And you know what, I have realized last night, like my summer vacations are going on, and I've been feeling so, freely that nothing is being after the summer vacations, it's normal school. But I realized that I'm having my exam less than 10 days. Yeah, in just less than 10 days. Today is 16, and I'm having my first exam is on 23rd of June, for which I'm actually ready, but yeah, not fully ready, not fully revised, so I will be going to tell you all of my revision methods and like my study methods, the chapter which I have not done, how I will do that, and how will I make the notes, from where I took the guide to make the notes, what I will be doing, each and everything I'll be showing you in this vlog. And you can just consider it as a morning vlog. And I'm just an early bird, like I really cannot study in late night or in night. I always feeling like to study is early in the morning when my brain is totally fresh, like yeah, okay, that's my study method. तभी मेरे दिमाग के अंदर कुछ जाता है, and I could be able to learn easily. So guys, first things first, as I have woken up in this early morning, so I have to be productive a little bit. I really cannot study without being a little bit of productive. Okay, so we're gonna start with the skipping. And I used to do, like, I'm new in it, like from today I'm starting in my vacations, but I used to do it when my schools were going on, sometimes when I'm feeling free not to do anything else. So I used to skip the rope. And for the sets I used to do is 200 steps, 200 sets, like 200 jumps I used to do. And if I will continue this, then further we can move, like then I can jump to the 500 jumps or steps. So yeah, for me as a very beginner, I will be doing skipping for 200 sets. My tumbler, actually the thing in that glass only I used to drink water. Okay, but now as I have broken it, I have to drink in it. And Ham's point that why we should, oh my god, it's kind of a bit dirty, because I used to take this to the school, and look, I have put it down. This school went closed. Since then I haven't used it. Of course it will be dirty. Don't worry, I'll fill it later. Something has bobbed onto my tires. I think the winds are going on. So yeah, now let me just drink the peacefully water. Guys, now it's time for locking in, means is studying, and the subject which I have chosen for study the first. So yes, these are the three books of like there are four books. One is of geography too, but in my PA1 geography is none of the chapter is coming. So yeah, this is my entire setup. And don't get me wrong, but this is Brahmi, which is actually good for mind wellness, and it helps in reminding up you the things, and it boosts your learning power. So my teacher has suggested me to take these pills. Like, these are not the pills, you can just say that Ayurvedic learning boosting pills, you can say mind boosting pills. So yes, now I will be studying SST, and in SST first I'm going to start with history, because it really needs attention. And the first subject which we study in the morning is full of needed and mandated is attention. So that's why I used to study in morning, because it keep my attentions only on the books. So yes, we will be studying and starting with the history. the notes. And the second thing which I will be doing for the history is I'm going to study with this book, which is together with, and I really like this book. Like in this, each and everything is in detail being explained, and also there are a lot of competency based questions, case based questions, and figure based questions. So yes, I will be doing this. I will be solving out some of the question by myself, for which the answers are not being given. So yeah, let's do that. And I'm done with this chapter because I had already given up the test for this chapter. But yeah, in that test I didn't get much marks. Like, I didn't get the marks, by the way. I got the grades, which is B plus, which is not good for the preparation for the SST exam. I didn't want to spend my entire morning for this history, so I have to do another subject, another past part of the SST. So we will be just doing the short question answers, 10 short question answers, and I will be doing it orally because I'm not having that much of time to write down all of the answers. If I get them correct, then I don't have to see the one shot, watch the one shot, and if I will not get them correct most of the time, so I have to see the one shot. Okay. So guys, now I'm finally done with the history, and now I will be doing economics, because in economics my 2 chapters were coming and I have to complete it by today. Like, the chapters were completed, only the revision is being left over. So I will be watching up the one shot, and from there my revision will done, because economics is simple as much. And I did not make the notes for the economics yet, but yeah, I've written down in the books in the side corners for revising up from the book only. I didn't make the notes in notebook, and I used to write like this in the book. And same I have did with the pol science. I did not make the notes for this for them. I'm done with the first chapter of economics, and now I have moved to the second chapter, which name is sectors of Indian economy. So I will be again watching up the one shot and revising all of the notes which I have been written down in the corners, side corners of the book. So yeah, this is the method of mine doing the economics. History में I used to write each and everything not in detail, but as है ना, और इसमें side by side corners पे. So yes, we will be doing this, and then I will be doing pol science, and फिर पूरा finish हो जाएगा. And it's actually currently 8:30, exact 8:30. तो I think so कि मेरा ये वाला chapter तो अभी ख़त्म हो जाएगा 22 minutes में, like half an hour you can just say. And that one chapter also will take only half an hour, because वो भी मेरा हो रखा है. There is nothing is being left or to do. ठीक है, तो यस वो भी हाफ एन आवर में हो जाएगा. Guys, now I'm finally done with the second chapter too, and now we will move to the pol science. And मेरे घर में अभी तक कोई भी नहीं उठा है. And it's currently 9 o'clock, and yes, pol science, and we will be done after it. So let's move for the trip. तो pol science में भी मेरा फर्स्ट चैप्टर ही आ रहा है, सिर्फ पावर शेयरिंग, एंड दिस इज़ द मेथड ऑफ मी डूइंग अगेन pol science. इसमें भी मैं ऐसे ही कॉर्नर्स पे लिख लेती हूँ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. यस एंड देन मैं इसके क्वेश्चंस वगैरह करती हूँ. अभी यहाँ के नहीं लिखे हैं मैंने, यहाँ के मैं लिखूँगी. देन फिर मैं क्वेश्चंस वगैरह करती हूँ एंड इस तरीके से मेरा पूरा चैप्टर जो है वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है. मतलब मैं चैप्टर समझ लेती हूँ बस, फिर उसके बाद मैं खुद ही क्वेश्चंस बनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, अंदर उनके आंसर देने की कोशिश करती हूँ. सो यस, दिस इज़ द मेथड ऑफ माइंड एंड yeah, let's do it. We will be searching now. Power sharing. So this is wait. This is an old video, so ये वाली देखते हैं जो रिसेंट वाली है 4 months ago.
सोचो घर में एक ही टीवी रिमोट है और लेने वाले दो भाई बहन हैं. अगर पापा ने रिमोट सिर्फ बड़े भाई को दे दिया तो छोटे भाई का रिएक्शन क्या होगा? ऑब्वियसली घर में बकवास शुरू हो जाएगी, राइट? बस यही सीन.
Is we are completed with all of the chapters and now I can take bath freely. So yes, now we'll be going to take shower. I won't be having my breakfast first because after taking the shower I have to worship. My mom said that to me, if you will wake up early in the morning, so please worship. Okay, so yes, we will worship and let's take this shower now. We are completely done and I'm too happy and feeling too productive. क्योंकि जब मैं खुद करती थी ना, then I used to get distracted a lot, but when I'm vlogging I know my all the honesty like I'm putting over here, है ना. तो अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को आज इतना ज़्यादा पढ़ के. और बाहर का वेदर बहुत ही अच्छा हो चुका है. इट्स अबाउट टू रेन. ठीक है, पूरे काले बादल छा चुके हैं. So yeah, we are going to pack this all and take the shower now. Yay! I'm feeling too productive today, like literally. बहुत दिनों से क्या हो रहा था ना कि मैं जल्दी नहीं उठ रही थी because it's summer vacation. I have been waking up like 12 p.m. in afternoon, है ना, और 1 p.m. So I won't be feeling that productive. वही लेट करती फोन, फिर ब्रेकफास्ट भी फिर लेट करना. ये है ना कि सुबह उठने के साथ ही चाय या दूध कुछ चाहिए, तो वही मेरे साथ भी होता है. तो दैट्स वाई फिर सोचा मैंने आज कि अब एग्ज़ाम्स भी हैं और ब्लॉग भी कर लूँगी, थोड़ा प्रोडक्टिवनेस भी हो रहेगी क्योंकि अब स्कूल डेज भी नियर आ रहे हैं. मेरा हाथ हो गया. स्कूल डेज भी नियर आ रहे हैं तो वी हैव टू गेट यूज टू इट एट दिस मॉर्निंग रूटीन. तो यस, नाउ लेट्स टेक द शावर. आई मीट यू आफ्टर टेकिंग द शावर. Yo guys, I'm back with taking up the bath and I'm feeling literally clean. So now we'll be doing दिस स्किन केयर. मेरे स्किन केयर में कुछ भी नहीं है एक्सेप्ट दिस फॉक्सटेल की सनस्क्रीन विच इज़ माई करंट फेवरेट. मतलब फॉक्सटेल की सारी सनस्क्रीन ही अच्छी है. मतलब इसका पूरा पैक ऑर्डर करा था तो दे आर ऑल नाइस. फ्रेश, फीलिंग सो फ्रेश नाउ गाइस. एंड देन द लिप बाम विच आई मेड इट बाय माई सेल्फ. Okay, no one is going to judge. Like this container got empty. ठीक है, मैंने इसके अंदर की सारी जो लिप बाम है वो यूज़ कर ली थी. Then I made a lip balm by myself in it. So yeah, this is, I really liked it. So we will be worshipping now and I'm too hungry. Then we will be having the breakfast. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to untie this room because this is looking hilarious at this time. मेरी बहन को मिल रखा है हॉलीडे होमवर्क, तो कर तो रही है बट सारा सामान यहीं पे रख जाती है रोज़. रोज़ इसी से संभालती हूँ, लेकिन अभी मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है और अभी वो थोड़ा सा लेट उठेगी बिकॉज आज समर वेकेशंस चल रही हैं और मम्मी भी लेट उठ रही हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द समर वेकेशंस। नहीं तो मम्मियों को भी सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब देखभाल उन्हीं को करनी पड़ती है जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं। तो ऑल आर स्पेंडिंग देयर समर वेकेशंस बाय देयर ओन स्टाइल। मैं भी अभी सो रही होती इफ़ आई वॉन्ट। And it's all done. I'm done with the cleaning and I've also cleaned this room. Look how pretty it is looking like actually. और अगर मैंने आपको इसके पहले की हालत दिखाई होती ना, you would be shocked. And I've also installed those curtains by myself क्योंकि मम्मी ना बहुत दिनों से परेशान हो रही थी बिकॉज जो लेडर्स होती है ना वो नहीं थी घर पे, ठीक है। तो मम्मी बहुत दिनों से पापा को भी कह रही थी बट पापा इज़ सो बिजी इन हिज वर्क्स, सो मॉम इज़ क्वाइट वरीड अबाउट इट। और मेरी मम्मी की जो हाइट है ना वो थोड़ी सी छोटी है, मतलब मेरे से भी थोड़ी सी छोटी है, so that's why she cannot install it by herself and she's kept saying to my dad but he's not working out with it, so I've just installed because मेरी हाइट थोड़ी सी अच्छी है इन सब मामलों में। एंड विदाउट द लेडर्स आई हैव डिड इट। मैंने ये स्टूल पे चढ़ के करा है एंड आई एम लिटरली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ एंड प्राउड ऑफ यू नो टेलिंग यू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो यस, पता है सुबह सुबह उठ के इतने सारे काम हो जाते हैं, मेरे को पहली बार पता चला है बिकॉज स्कूल टाइम पे भी सिर्फ हमें रेडी होकर स्कूल ही जाना होता था, बट एज यू नो एन एल्डर डॉटर ऑफ द हाउस वाली चीज़ें करी ना मैंने, मतलब घर पूरा समेटा वमेटा और जितनी चीज़ें खुद से हो सकती थी करी मैंने, है ना, टू मेक माई मॉम हैप्पी। जितनी भी बड़ी वाली चीज़ें होती है मैंने करी आज। सो मेरे को भी थोड़ा अपने आप से प्राउड हो रहा है कि हाँ मेरी मम्मी क्या बोलेंगी, उन्हें अच्छा लगेगा। एंड यस, मेरे को भी बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है आफ्टर इतना सिमटा हुआ। नहीं तो जब आई वॉज वर्शिपिंग दिस ऑल वॉजेंट हेयर, है ना, कुछ भी नहीं था यहाँ पे क्योंकि मैंने वो सब बैक कैमरा मतलब कैमरा के पीछे रखा हुआ था सब कुछ। एंड नाउ इट्स ऑल decluttered. नाउ आई कैन जस्ट हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट पीसफुली। एंड कपड़े एक साइड कर दिए हैं, वो भी मैं करूँगी। एंड लुक एट हिम, नन्नू जी। हेलो नन्नू जी, कैसे हो आप? तो इन्हें भी देते हैं दूध पानी वगैरह कुछ। And wake up. Whew. So yes, now let's make the breakfast. And in breakfast, I think I'm simply gonna have peanut butter with coffee. या फिर चाय बनाती हूँ मैं। चाय बनाने का मन कर रहा है, पीने का भी, because weather is weathering today. So yeah, I will be making tea for myself. Yes, let's go. I'm making tea and here bread and butter. So yeah, yay. Here I'm having my breakfast, tea and butter toast with listening to B Prak's songs, like मतलब भगवान के गाने actually, devotional songs. I'm doing sketching, like trying to do sketch in a peaceful home. मैं भी कर रही हूँ अपनी बहन का हॉलीडे होमवर्क बिकॉज इसे तो करना नहीं है, ये तो महारानी जी लेटी हुई हैं बेड पे और मेरे को करना पड़ रहा है। अब मेरे को हॉलीडे होमवर्क मिलता नहीं है, मैं बड़ी हो चुकी हूँ तो मेरे को अब इसका करना पड़ रहा है जैसे मेरी मम्मी करती थी। सो यस, करते हैं फिर ये। So guys, here I'm having my lunch and then in evening I watched a movie whose name is The Nun and it was very enjoyable and very nice horror movie. I really loved it.
2 hours later.
So guys, my movie is finished and I'm done with the movie and then I got to study just right away because मेरे exams हैं and I have to study for it. So it's currently 9 PM in night and I have changed the t-shirts now. I did maths for 1.5 hours. I have been studying but I forgot to vlog because in fact my mom wasn't at home, so how could I be able to vlog. तो अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट क्योंकि मेरा हाफ चैप्टर आ रहा है वो PA फर्स्ट में साइंस में। सो यस, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दैट एंड what of प्रशांत भैया because साइंस मैं इन्हीं से पढ़ती हूँ and this is the chapter. एंड जब से मेरे पास ये गाइड आई है आई हैवन टच टू द NCERT एंड NCERT भी नहीं पढ़ी है. इनफैक्ट मैं मैथ्स भी आदर्श अग्रवाल से कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को ना गाइड से ज़्यादा करने में समझ में आता है एंड यू नो आई कुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस देन बाय द गाइड ओनली. तो इस वजह से मैं गाइड से पढ़ती हूँ. सो राइट नाउ आई विल बी जस्ट कम्प्लीटिंग इट एंड मैं डिनर आज नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज मेरा जस्ट मन नहीं कर रहा. मेरा प्लान जो अजीब सा यू नो टेस्ट हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. But yes, I won't be having the dinner for today and I will be just going to end this vlog. So guys, now I'm going to sleep. I'm so sleepy right now. I'm done with the studying and I'm done with the chapter. So this was the video and I hope you really liked it. If you liked it, so please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your more friends and tell about my channel to your relatives and all, and help me gaining up the subscribers so that I could be able to grow up my confidence. Okay, and I will be providing each and every vlog to you like this, like my study method and all, productive days. And I hope you really like this vlog. If you so, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.